Doctors are trained to help, not to harm. But all too frequently, people go into hospitals to have a minor procedure But all too often, people go into hospitals to have a minor procedure, or they put themselves in the supposedly capable hands of a physician, only to come out maimed, or in the worst of cases, to come out dead. Under California law, a physician has the responsibility to operate within the standard of care that's commonly practiced within their medical community. They are supposed to perform procedures, tests, and exams in the way that a responsible physician would. If a doctor fails to take an x-ray, fails to do a study, conducts a surgery in a way or in a manner that is different or improper, somehow deviating from that standard of care that is required of physicians in that community, then that doctor needs to be held responsible for the harm that's caused. As I said, this is one of the most preventable types of injury, but it kills over 100,000 people in the United States each year. To prove a case of this type, the law requires that you have a physician of the same type and/or expertise evaluate the medical records. And I got to tell you, reading these medical records is not something that the unsophisticated lawyer or person can do. And you read these stacks of medical records and work with the experts to try to find out what went wrong and whether it could have been prevented and whether it constitutes a breach of the standard of care. For people who are harmed or people who die because of medical negligence, they or their families have a right to recover for the loss, the emotional loss, the pain and the suffering, and the economic loss and hardship that have been caused by this type of malpractice or neglect. So if you or someone you know has been harmed at the hands of a physician where you believe there was negligence, call us at the Dolan Law Firm so that we can do a critical analysis of the medical records and the facts and work with the doctors we know who will tell the truth to see if we can help you.